By the end of this video, you will know how to convert a lead to a matter in Clio Manage. Start by opening Clio Manage and signing in to your account if you are not already there. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the left sidebar and select Contacts. This will take you to the area where leads, prospective clients, and other contact records are stored. From the Contacts page, find the lead or prospective client that you want to convert. You can scroll through the list or use the available search tools if you need to narrow it down. When you locate the correct contact, open that record to view the details. Take a moment here to confirm that you have selected the right person before creating the matter, since the client information on the new matter will be based on this contact. Inside the lead record, click New Matter. Clio Manage will open the matter creation screen and carry the contact forward into the new file. On this page, confirm that the lead is selected as the client for the matter. This is one of the most important details to verify before saving, especially if your account includes multiple related contacts or organizations. Next, enter the required matter details. Fill in the matter description so the file is clearly identified. Choose the appropriate practice area based on the type of legal work. Set the responsible attorney so the matter is assigned correctly within your firm. Then review the permissions section and apply the access settings that fit how this matter should be managed. These fields establish how the matter appears in your system and who can work with it after it is created. After that, configure the billing preferences and any other matter settings you need for this file. Depending on how your Clio Manage account is set up, this may include choosing billing arrangements or reviewing additional options tied to the matter. The goal here is to make sure the matter is created with the settings you want from the start, rather than needing to revise them later. Once those details are in place, click Save Matter. Clio Manage will create the new matter for that client and open the matter record. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for the matter view to appear before making any changes. Now review the newly created matter. Confirm that the client information is correct and matches the lead you selected earlier. Check that the matter details, assignment, and settings reflect what you entered during setup. This final review helps you confirm that the lead was converted properly and that the matter is ready to use inside Clio Manage. The lead has now been converted into a new matter in Clio Manage with the client information confirmed.